Hello, welcome to Lead Talks. Under the subject Survey of English and American Literature, we have Sonnet 14 by Elizabeth Barrett Browning, often titled, If Thou Must Love Me, Let It Be for Naught. This sonnet is a profound exploration of unconditional love. The speaker addresses her beloved, stipulating that if he must love her, should do so for naught, for no reason at all beyond the essence of her being. She cautions him against loving her for external, such as her pleasant looks, her voice, or the sweet way she speaks. The speaker emphasizes that she was a love built on an immutable foundation. This is because, should God choose to take her life, she believes that such a love on its own basis may be set in heaven's sight to last eternally. It reveals a powerful assertion of self-definition and a challenge to conventional romantic expectation. Browning rejects superficial or conditional love, crucially even love based on pity or gratitude, as these forms of affection are inherently unequal and temporary. Her demand for a pure and qualified love is a radical act of self-respect. She insists on being loved as an autonomous person, free from societal tropes and external characteristics that often defined a woman's value in the Victorian era. That's all. Thank you for listening.